0-100 to 0-10, hooked. Want to earn with AI in 2025? Here are 5 AI tools that can help you make money online or boost your business. 0-10 to 0-50. Tool 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't just for fun, it can write articles, code, and create marketing content. Freelancers are already using it to earn hundreds per month by offering services like content creation, coding help, and copywriting. 0-50 to 120. Tool 2. Mid-Journey and DALL-E. Design logos, social media posts, or digital art using AI. You can sell AI-generated art online, create visuals for clients, or start a print-on-demand business. 120 to 150. Tool 3. Pictory and Runway AI. Turn text into videos or edit content faster than ever. Offer video creation services to YouTubers, small businesses, or social media marketers and save them hours of work. 150 to 220. Tool 4. Synthesia and 11 Labs. Create AI avatars and realistic voiceovers for explainer videos, e-learning, or marketing campaigns. No camera or microphone needed, you can produce professional content entirely with AI. 220 to 250. Tool 5. Notion AI and Tome AI. Boost productivity, organize ideas, and create presentations, templates, or AI-powered digital products to sell online. These tools help you automate tasks and focus on income-generating activities. 250 to 3 o'clock. Outro. Call to action. CTA. Start experimenting with these tools today. Subscribe to Future Tech J for more AI tips, tech hacks, and money-making strategies every week.